Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by today. Today's video is the very first video of 2021 and I'm so excited. If you're brand new here on my channel and you've never seen one of my videos before, I'm Courtney Lynn and I post weekly cleaning, organization, and home decor videos. So whether you're cleaning a complete disaster like I am or putting some Christmas decor away, which I'll also be doing in this video, let's get going. So today I'm beginning in my bedroom, and my bedroom was a complete disaster. I'm not even exaggerating when I say that it was a complete disaster. In fact, I failed and I didn't take some before footage walking through the room, but the floor was completely covered with clothes and shoes and purses and everything else that you could imagine. And the bed was covered, as you could see, my side was completely covered with junk everywhere. So it was a complete disaster and I was about to lose my mind. I didn't take care of it very much during the Christmas week because we had company and my boyfriend was in town. So a lot of my time was focused on that and very little cleaning. But I'm getting back to it today and I'm gonna get all of this mess put away and all of my Christmas decor in here also put away. So I got this weighted blanket for Christmas. This is a 15-pound weighted blanket and it is so amazing. I totally love it, but I've heard mixed reviews about it. So comment down below if you guys like weighted blankets and what are your thoughts on them. I do have like a heated blanket on our bed and I really love the heated blanket, but I also love sleeping with the weighted blanket, so I'm kind of going in between the two right now. So I thought I'd start today by making my bed and getting a clear space in the room, and this was the best option. So I'm just making this bed and then putting all the pillows up on the bed, and that'll create a little bit more floor space to move around in here. Alright, now to tackle the clothes. So I threw all the clothes on the floor, so I'm making two piles. One pile is all of my clothes that need to be folded, and the other pile is all of my clothes that need to be hung up. So I'm tackling the bigger pile, which is all of my hang-up clothes. And if you look over there in the left corner, you can see my closet. And it is a disaster in there as well, maybe a little bit worse than the rest of my room. But it's so bad right now, you guys. I've got to get in there and organize my closet because through the holiday season it got neglected, and as you can see, things are piling up, literally. So be on the lookout for an organizational video coming at you next week. So something else that I got for Christmas this year is this blue Yeti microphone that I'm talking to you on right now. I'm trying it out for the very first time today on this video, and I'm really loving how it sounds so far. 2020 was such a strange year for everyone all around, I think. But one thing that did happen in 2020 was that I started this YouTube channel, and although my channel's still very small and my subscribers are very low, I am enjoying the process so far, and I love creating videos and having you guys watch along as I clean and motivate you guys to do the same. It's been a lot of fun and it's been a new process, and I've learned so much, and I've met a lot of really awesome people on here, and it's just such a really good community to be a small part of. So with that being said, I'm really excited about this brand new year and everything that's going to be accomplished. I have some New Year's resolutions, some goals, and so crossing my fingers that I can reach those goals this year. Alright, so here's a little hack for you. I got these little silica gel beads in something that I got for Christmas, and if you put them in your windowsill, they help keep all of the moisture from sitting in the windowsill. They just soak it right up. Alright, now comes the most bittersweet moment, tearing down all of the Christmas decor. I love having Christmas decor up in my room. I love putting it up and I love having it, and I love having the Christmas tree on at night and watching the lights glow and all the sparkles and everything. But there is just something about taking that all down and cleaning and just having a fresh start with the new year. I don't know exactly what it is. We still have all of our Christmas decor up in the rest of our house. Well, most of our Christmas decor is still up. But there's just something about starting fresh, I don't know, for me in the new year. With my bedroom, I love having the Christmas decor up in the rest of our home because honestly, I like to just spend like the next week or two kind of slowly, getting out of the Christmas spirit. I don't like to just jump ship one day, so it takes me a little bit of time, but I really was ready to take all of the decor here out of my room. I think because mostly, it takes up a lot of space, and in my room being a little bit smaller, I like to have all the space that I can get. And the infamous tree skirt that I have here. If you weren't here for when I put this tree up, this is actually a dress from Macy's, and I'm still deciding on whether I'm going to put it up in the garage with the Christmas decor for next year, or if I'm going to hang it back up in my closet. The jury's still out on that one. Alright, now that all the Christmas decor is finally put away, I'm just going to do a quick little clean here. Wiping down this mirror, I'm going to dust the tops of our furniture and then vacuum because there was flocking everywhere in our carpet. Let's talk for a minute about all of this decor that I'm going to put in my room in place of the Christmas decor. First of all, I was frantically looking all over the house and in the garage for my decor that I had in my room before fall and Christmas, and I couldn't hardly find any of it. So I scrambled a few pieces together, and what I found you're gonna see on this video. We are going to paint our bedroom, but soon the pink will be gone and we'll be moving on to bigger and better things in here. So I'm not too worried about the decor and how it looks right now. So if it looks pretty simplistic, that's because it is, and it's a little bit different than what I normally like, but it's what we're going with today. I just did pretty simple things, keeping it really minimal until we finished the room makeover. So check out this rechargeable candle lighter that my mom actually got for Christmas. I'm stealing it for this video, but it just puts out a little bitty spark and you can like charge it pretty much with like a phone charger type thing, but I thought this was super cool. Also, we're trying out a brand new cordless vacuum. This is a Musu brand of cordless vacuum. We had a Dyson cordless vacuum, so we wanted to try out this brand, and so far we love it, and it does a really, really good job cleaning up, and we love it so far, so we'll see how it goes. I finished vacuuming, I went ahead and brought this chair that we had in here before Christmas. I brought that back in and I used a little attachment on our Musu vacuum. But that's all that I have for this video today, guys. Thank you guys so much for sticking along for this after Christmas clean with me. Even though it was a complete disaster, we got it all cleaned up and it looks pretty good now, ready for a new year and good things coming ahead. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.